got the shortest dreads out of everybody, man.
Duke Dennis, your dreadlocks.
Hey, man, listen, man.
They look good. So many people get caught in this phase of thinking that their dreadlocks are ugly, and looking at Duke Dennis reveal his dreadlocks, it seemed as though he didn't like the way they looked. So let's take a look at his dreadlocks and then let's walk through the process of how he got them. First thing I want to look at is his hair type. He has about a 4B to a 4C hair type, which is a very tight curl pattern, and dreadlocks are made extremely easy with this hair type. Moving on to the method that he chose in order to get them, he's doing a traditional route with twisting with gel. And with his hair being such a tight curl pattern, it makes it so easy to do this method with twisting with gel. And as far as maintenance, it looks like he's had these in for about 4 months, maybe 5 months now. He's been doing just twisting with gel to maintain them. Now, when you maintain the dreadlocks with twisting with gel, all you're doing is maintaining those roots and make sure that they're nice and tight and maintaining those sections. Because keep in mind, when you're getting locks, all you're doing is maintaining the section until that section starts to lock up. With a 4B to 4C hair type, the hair is gonna lock up extremely quick with really any method you choose. Now with twisting with gel, it does take longer for the hair to lock up. But with a 4B to 4C hair type, it's gonna lock up pretty much all the way within 6 months. With him having his dreadlocks in for about 4 to 6 months, they're pretty much all the way mature. He can wash them, do hairstyles if they're long enough, and they're not gonna unravel. But why does he seem so disappointed with how his hair looks? I mean, we see him wear hats, he wears beanies, he always has it covered up. And it's not just Duke Dennis. There's so many other people out there that have dreadlocks or started them and they don't like the way they look, so they cover them up. And it is 100% completely fine. I've been in that same phase, but I don't like to call it the ugly stage. Because think about it, it's your hair. You don't want something on you to be quote unquote ugly. So how do you get through that ugly stage while feeling comfortable? And we see a prime example with Duke Dennis, with him wearing hats, beanies, covering them up, but at the same time, he's still doing the maintenance. We see that his roots are always really maintained, which is a really good thing. That doesn't mean that he's maintaining it very frequently. That just means that his hair is holding in its form very well, and I'm pretty positive that he's going to sleep using a do-rag or some sort of covering in order to keep those twists very maintained. Now we know exactly how to cover up the ugly stage, but how do you prevent it? There's one simple factor that comes to play when it comes to that time period of the hair not looking the way that you want it to. And the main factor is the hair length. A lot of people are uncomfortable with showing their dreadlocks when they're under 6 inches. And the reason being is because they don't hang, they're not fully mature yet. So you can simply avoid the ugly stage by letting your hair grow a little bit longer, maybe past 6 inches, and then starting your locks. And that may seem like a lot because you'll most likely have to grow your hair out for about a year before starting. And that's considering that your hair grows a ½ inch every single month, totaling out to 6 inches at the end of the year. But if you don't want to wait a year in order to start your locks, then just start them and go through that stage, and you'll actually appreciate your hair a whole lot more after you've been growing them for about a year. And you'll have that entire time frame for your hair to fully mature. But it is simply up to you, and I just wanted to give you guys some options of what you can do to prevent that phase. If you want to start your dreadlocks like Duke Dennis, make sure to pick up the Greatlocs locking gel to start out by twisting with gel. This gel is a maximum hold and it washes out very easy. So click the link down below to go to Greatlocs.com and stock up on dreadlock products that you need. If you want products like the crochet hook or the interlock tool or even locking gel to make your dreadlocks, click the link down below to go to Greatlocs.com to pick out the products that you need for your dreadlocks.